Namaste friends, welcome. This is Madhura from Mathruvani. Friends, you can also follow me on my Facebook page Mathruvani. I have given the link in the description box. Please check it. And friends, in this video I am going to talk about the mosquito bites. How to protect your baby from these bites, and I will be sharing some of the home remedies which are very easy to follow. First of all, are these mosquito bites are dangerous for the baby? Friends, most of the time a mosquito bite is irritating but not serious. But we have to take care about the bites because some of the diseases can spread through these mosquito bites like malaria or chikungunya, etc. Can we protect our baby from the mosquito bites? Yes, but not 100% is possible. But to some extent we can protect our baby. Then how? One is keep your baby indoors. You can keep your baby indoors during the hours when mosquitoes are very active, like evening time or even morning, so that you can lower the bite risk. And close the doors or windows to prevent mosquitoes to entering into the house. Friends, I can understand that in cities you can easily close the windows or doors of the house, but in case of rural area or even in the village area, the house may have some open windows. And next is cover the baby with clothes. Friends, make your baby to wear the dress like loose fitting long sleeved one or pants or socks and a cap, etc. to cover the baby completely. And next is use mosquito net. I feel this is the safest method to protect your baby from the mosquito bite. You can use mosquito net when baby sleep in cradle or on the bed, etc. or even on the floor. And drain standing water around your house. The standing water is actually the breeding site of many mosquitoes, so you can avoid it. And natural mosquito repellents. If your baby is over 2 or 3 months, you can use these natural mosquito repellents. Friends, I tried one natural mosquito repellent, that is Goodnight Fabric Roll-On for babies. I found it's effective, but the drawback is it has a strong scent of the natural active ingredients. And next is the liquid vaporizers, which are really dangerous for the baby. Friends, liquid vaporizers are most commonly used mosquito repellent, but plug-in vaporizers are usually contain harmful chemicals. Inhaling these are dangerous for you and your baby's health. Next comes the coils. Coils, when used for long time and when burned indoors, can cause breathing problems and allergies, so it's not good for the baby. Next is essential oils. These are the natural oils, but these are not as potent as chemical based repellents. Scents like eucalyptus or lemongrass or citronella can help to repel the mosquitoes. Dear friends, even though we follow all these measures to protect our baby from these mosquito bites, but it's not 100%. Anyhow, all of you know that these mosquitoes are very tiny one and they can just bite the baby. So let us know about the home remedies for these mosquito bite. The first one is honey. Because it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, this honey has been used for hundreds of years for skin related issues. You can just take some honey and apply to the bite areas. And next is the aloe vera. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties and help to heal minor wounds also. So you can use fresh aloe vera gel, or else you can also use the preserved one. Friends, I have used this fresh aloe vera gel for my baby and found this is very effective than the preserved one. So you can extract or separate the aloe vera gel from the leaf. And here I am going to show how to separate the gel easily from the aloe vera leaf. And this is the clear gel from the fresh aloe vera leaf, and just apply this gel for the affected areas. Next is tulsi. Studies suggest that a chemical called eugenol in tulsi leaves relieves itchiness. And take few tulsi leaves and squeeze like this. If you want, you can add few drops of water also. This diluted tulsi leaf juice is also effective against these mosquito bites. And just apply this juice over the body. Another home remedy is using turmeric. You can use turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root to prepare the paste. If you have the fresh turmeric root, then just rub it against the grinding stone by adding little water like this. In few minutes you will get nice turmeric paste which is very fresh, and you can apply it on the mosquito bite areas. This is how it looks after you rub against the grinding stone. Next, you can use the sandalwood paste. Friends, same like turmeric paste, you can use sandalwood powder or fresh sandalwood piece to make the paste. Then red sandalwood or Rakt Chandan. This is also very effective. You can use the paste of this red chandan. Next remedy is unrefined coconut oil. Since coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties, it can provide quick relief for itchy insect or mosquito bites. Another one is mint or pudina leaves. Same like tulsi leaves, the strong anti-inflammatory properties of this pudina or mint leaves soothe the irritation from mosquito bites. Take some fresh mint leaves and squeeze it by adding few drops of water. Apply this diluted juice over the affected area. Dear friends, these are some of the home remedies I used for my baby and found effective. So I am sharing this with you all. I feel this may help for many moms. So see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.